Hey there and welcome to another new video. In this video I am gonna show you the functionality of my project. Basically it's just a demo video of my project. There's project about login and sign up for random user API app in React with Firebase Authentication. For building this project I am using React.js, Bootstrap, random user APIs and Firebase Authentication. So let's start to our project demo video. As you can see here, the login form with sign in with Google button and don't have an account login form sign up form appear. If I jump to our home page, it's redirected to the login page. It means only login user can see the home page and our protected route works properly. And after refresh the page, it still redirected me login page. Once we login with Google account, it redirect me home page. Did you see how quickly I've opened a new page? That's the beauty of React.js. As you can see on the top, we have a never one logout button or active user email. After clicking the random user, we see the random user code, and after clicking the close button card is disappear. And in the last is a small footer with mail button. And last up, if I jump to directly login page, it redirect me home page, and after logout it redirect me login page. This is another project. This project about custom log app with a content management system will implement all of the features that you can imagine on an advanced log platform. For building a project, I am using advanced React.js and Next.js, and for creating modern user interface using Tailwind CSS, also using GraphQL and GraphCMS. GraphQL is a query language, covers creating schemas, models, and retrieving data with GraphQL queries. GraphCMS, on the other hand, is the best GraphQL content management system. So let's jump to our project demo video. As you can see on the top, we have a navigational bar where we can see categories. And just below the navigational bar, we have the features boards. Below that, we have an article list on the left side and the recent post and category on the right side. And the article have an image, title, author, the date of publishing, some sort description, and then the continue reading button. So let's go ahead and read the article. Did you see how smoothly open a new page? That's the beauty of Next.js and GraphCMS. Here we can see the full blog post, author information. Finally, we can leave a comments as you can see here. You can write your own comments, include your name and email, and then that comments is going to be appear here. And let's try leaving a comments, I am going to say amazing projects. The name is going to be 𝕧𝕚𝕚𝕟𝕜𝕤 and email is going to be 𝕊𝕚𝕚@gmail.com, just for our testing purposes. Let's post the comments, and as you can see, comments submitted for review. That's mean that a comment is not going to be publishing immediately. It's left for review to the creator of this post. And we can allow or disallow comments from GraphCMS. That was a short introduction for the project that I am building. I hope you like it. So don't forget to subscribe the channel for more amazing projects. And please like the video,